Namaste everyone. How are you guys? Doing well? We sit in any comfortable pose, settle down yourself fast.
Sorry, I'm late.
Okay. Sit in any comfortable position, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now prepare yourself for today's class. Prepare your mind, prepare your body. Focus on your breath. Now we will chant one time all together. Take a deep inhale. Om. Now we'll chant opening mantra of Ashtanga. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde Sandarsita Swatma Sukha Bhavote Nishreya Shejanglikayamane Sansar Hala Halmo Ashante Avahu Purushakaram Sankhachakra Dharanam Sahasrar Sirshan Shvetam Pranamamim Patanjalim. Join your both palms together in front of your heart. Slowly bow down your head towards God. And gently open your eyes. Remove your palms. Okay, stand up on your mat for some salutation. Both feet together, knees together, roll your shoulders, finger pointing towards the floor, open your fingers. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Rudra Vrikshasana. So exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Ready, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat, exhale, Adho Hold there for 5 counts. 1. Look at your navel point, Nabhi Chakra Drishti. 2. Open your feet, hip distance apart. 3, 2, and 1. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale, again raise your both arms up. To exhale. 3, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat, exhale, Adho Again, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale. Sweep your arms up. Do exhale, go fully forward from a hip joint towards the seam bone. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana, bend your both elbows. 3D inhale, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, hold 5. Keep pressing your hips up and your thoracic down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Asto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, Samasthiti. 4th round, Ekam, inhale again, sweep your both arms over your head. To exhale, bend forward towards your length. 3D inhale, look front, straight your spine. Chatwari, press your palms, exhale, go back for Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Pull your tailbone high towards the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Asto, exhale. Nava, inhale, all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. 5th and last round, Ekam, inhale again. To exhale. 3D inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat, exhale, Adhomukha. Again, hold. 1. Combine your breath with your movement of your body. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Asto, exhale. Nava, inhale, all the way, come up. Exhale, arms down, Samasthiti. Now we'll do sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up. Do exhale, go forward down. 3D inhale, straight your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, keep pressing your hips down. 4, 5, Asto, exhale, again jump back, go into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Hold 5. Raise your arms up, look at your thumbs. Angushta Mudra Drishti. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, again jump back for the Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Chaturdasa, exhale, Adhomukha, downward facing dog. Now look at your navel point and again hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come for the plank pose. Just hold there. 1. Today we are going to work on our strength. 2. Lift your hips up a little bit high. Make a hump on your upper back. 3. Lean as much as you can. 4, 5. Come on the side plank on your left arm, right arm up. Now push your side oblique upward as much as you can. 1. Look at your upper arm. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, again press your palm. Again come for the Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adhomukha. Again, come for the plank pose. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, lean, resist, and pull. 3, 4, and 5. Now come on your right arm, raise your left arm up. Again, hold for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale again. Press your palms, come into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale all the way, come up for Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, come inhale, again raise your arms up. So exhale, Utkatasana everybody. Third, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat, exhale, Adhomukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front again for warrior A. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just stay there and listen. Now just straight your right leg. Turn your waist front. Turn your waist front for triangle pose. Okay, open your hands by the side. Turn your waist front. Straight your right leg and exhale, go down. Grab your right big toe with your front. Now right side front. Yes. And go bend forward for the Trikonasana, triangle pose of Trikonasana, and hold. Look at your upper palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, press your palm, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front for warrior A and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now again turn your waist front, straight your left leg, and again bend forward for the Trikonasana triangle pose, left side. Very good. Look up and hold 5. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Do not forget to take Ujjayi breath in. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, look down, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha, upward facing dog, and exhale, Adhomukha, downward facing dog. Again, hold 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, now we'll do third round. Come inhale again, bend your knees, raise your arms up. Exhale, go forward. 3, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog, Adhomukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Make warrior B from your right leg. Right leg 90 degree, left to strike heel. Look at your right hand and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now straight your right leg. Now place your left arm out of your right feet for revolved triangle pose, Parivartit Trikonasana. Place your left hand out of your right feet. If you cannot place it, you can also put it on your ankle or your shin bone. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, downward dog Adho Mukha. Now bring your left leg front for warrior B and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now straight your left leg, place your right arm out of your left feet for revolve triangle pose. Look at your left palm and twist yourself as much as you can and hold again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down, press your palms and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for a few counts. Just take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Continue with Ujjayi breathing. Now bend your both knees, jump front into Ardha Uttanasana. Open your leg, shoulder width apart from here. Just stay in Ardha Uttanasana, open your leg. Grab your both big toes with your first 2 fingers. Inhale and exhale, bend your both elbows, look between your both legs for Padasthasana. Padangushtasana, sorry. 1, 2, 3, keep your knees straight. Try to just keep your knees straight. 4 and 5. Inhale, straight your both arms. Exhale, place your both palms under your feet for Padasthasana. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine, and exhale, again bend forward down and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your both arms. Exhale, release your palms, put your both palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up and stepping back into Samasthiti again. Okay, now we'll do 4th set. Take a inhale, again bend your both knees, raise your arms up for Utkatasana. Do exhale, go fully forward down. Treni, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B again and hold 1. Hold there into warrior B. Look at your right hand. 2, 3, 4, and final. Place your right elbow on your right knee, left arm over your head. Go for the Parshvakonasana. Utthita Parshvakonasana. Stretch properly from your side obliques and keep pushing your pelvis down. Don't lift your pelvis up. Keep pushing your pelvis down. 1, 2, right knee slightly outward. Push your right knee slightly out. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front for warrior B. Again, hold your warrior B with your left leg and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your left elbow on your left leg and inhale, right arm over your head and look at your right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again jump back for the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathing. Now lift your right leg up for the 3-leg downward facing dog. And bring your right knee towards your left armpit. Bring your right knee towards your left armpit. Hold one. Keep leaning forward. Keep lifting your leg up from the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come on your left arm, right arm up. For the side plank, same. The right knee will be stay there. Just hold like this. Bring your knee as much as closer to your chest. Don't straight your leg. Bring your right knee as much as closer to your chest. 1, 2. सलोनी जी और लेकर आइए नी को चेस्ट के पास. 3. लिफ्ट करके रखिए. 4. नहीं, आपका रॉन्ग हो गया, आपका लेफ्ट लगाना था सलोनी जी. And 5. Now straight your leg front. Again same position. You can grab your toe if you want, but you have to keep your leg straight. Pull your leg front closer to your head. 1. Hold there. Coming back to the position. 2. Stay there, stay there. 3, 4, 5. Release your leg. Take your right leg again back for the 3-leg downward facing dog. And exhale, put your leg down. Shake your legs one by one. Now lift your left leg up for the 3-leg downward facing dog. Bring your left leg towards your right armpit. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Lean, slowly lean. Roll, lean more. 4 and 5. Now come on your left hand. Come for the side plank again. Bring your left leg as much as closer to your chest. 1, knee, left knee. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you can grab your left big toe with your right hand if you can, and just straight your legs front, pull your leg up and keep your body in one line and engage your oblique. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your right palm down. Take your left leg up. Again, back for the 3-leg downward facing dog. And exhale, drop your left leg down and then shake your leg. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up for Utkatasana. Exhale, Samastiti. 5th and last round, Ekam inhale, again bend your both knees. Raise your arms up for chair pose. 2, exhale. 3, inhale, look front. 4, exhale, jump back. 5, inhale, upward facing dog. 6, exhale, downward facing dog. 7, bring your right leg again for warrior C. Hold 1. Bring your right leg. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now listen, drop your left leg again down on the floor. Left leg down. Now make namaste and put your left elbow on your right knee and twist for Parivartit Parshvkonasana, revolved Parshvkonasana. And hold 1, revolved. 2, keep twisting with exhalation. Keep your left toe tucked for now. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down and again jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front for warrior C again. From your left leg. And hold. 1. Maintain your balance on the left leg. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now put your drop your right toe on the floor and place, inhale and exhale, place your right elbow on your left knee and again twist for revolved Parsvakonasana. Hold 5, deep breath in, deep breath out, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale again, look down and jump back for Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. We come for the plank pose. Everybody come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Go down. Bend your elbows. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Second round again, come for the plank. Chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Third round again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Fourth round again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale and exhale. Again, fifth round, come for the plank. Please do not stop. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. 3 more rounds. Sixth round, again come for the plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Seventh round, again come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Eighth and last round, come for the plank and hold for 3 counts. Keep your core engaged. Push your shoulder blades away. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Again, come for the Chaturanga. Hold for 3 counts more. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees. Relax into child pose. Come for the downward facing dog, everybody. Bend your both knees, jump front. Into halfway look up. Exhale, flip forward down. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, Samastiki. Rotate your wrist clockwise, anti-clockwise properly. Kudukati Chakrasana. Okay, so we have completed around 6, I think so we have completed Paradambusthasana, Padasthasana. In Surya Namaskar, we have completed triangle pose. We have completed Parshvonasana. So anybody can tell which is the next pose after Parshvonasana?
Revolved
Can anybody tell?
Parshvonasana.
We have done revolved Parshvonasana also. And we have made Namaste.
Uthit Hast Padangusthasana.
The side split.
No,
The side
we missed.
wide leg.
Yeah.
Yes,
We-
wide
the
leg.
next pose is Parasarita Padottanasana, the wide leg one. Yes. Okay, so come on your mat. Now we'll do the wide leg posture. Okay, now open your legs 4.5 feet apart, both toes front. Inhale, raise your both arms up. By the side, sorry. Now exhale, bend forward, keep your both palms on your waist and bend forward slowly. Bend forward down. Now place your both palms between your both legs. Inhale, lift your chest up, lengthen your spine. And exhale, bend your both elbows and try to touch your forehead or crown head on the mat and hold for 5 counts. 1. Keep pulling yourself down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, place your both palms on your waist. Again, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Do not remove your palms from your waist for Parasarita Padottanasana B. Bend forward, pull your both elbows closer to each other. Open your chest as much as you can. Again, hold 1, 2, feel the stretch on your hamstrings and calf muscles. Slowly, थोड़े से पैर और खोलिए. 4 and 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, remove your hands. Again, inhale, interlock your fingers behind your back, open your chest, lift your chest up. Look up and exhale, bend fully forward down. Try to touch your crown head on the floor. Maintain your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, all the way come up. And exhale, release your palm. Inhale again, place your both palms on your waist, look up. Exhale, bend forward down. Grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. And exhale, bend your both elbows and just try to touch your crown head again and hold. 1, keep your knees straight and keep lengthening your spine. Move forward from your hip joint. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, again look front. Exhale, remove your palms, place your palms on the waist. Inhale all the way, come up. Now turn yourself right side, right toe out, left toe in. Right toe out, left toe in. For Pachtanasana. Make namaste behind your back. Inhale. Lift your chest up, rotate your shoulders and make namaste. And exhale, bend forward towards your right leg, touch your belly, your diaphragm on your thighs, chest on your knee, and forehead on your shin bone. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Now turn your side, left toe out and right toe in. Exhale again, bend forward towards your right leg. Again, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, stepping your right foot front for Samasthiti. Shake your both legs. Now we will do Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. Now bend your right knee at 90. Grab your right feet with your right big toe. If you cannot, you can use the support of the wall. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Straight your knee and your right elbow. And exhale, bend forward towards your right leg. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take your right leg right side, look left side, balance on your left feet. You can place your left palm on your left belly side. Again hold. Parshva Sahita. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take your right leg back again front, inhale and then exhale again, touch your forehead on your shin bone. Stay there, and release your leg for Ekpadasana. 1, keep lifting your right leg up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, leg down, shake your leg, shake your both legs. Now change your leg. Now bend your left leg. Grab your left big toe with your first 2 fingers. Straight your left leg. Inhale and exhale. Bend forward towards your left leg. Hold 1. Try to touch your head. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, come up. Take your left leg left side. Again, hold 5. You can take the support of the wall if you cannot balance. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, left leg front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release your leg for Ekpadasana. And exhale, Samasthiti. Shake your both legs. Okay, now we will do Utthita, Ardha Baddha Padmuttanasana. Remember the name? Ardha Baddha Padmuttanasana. Now bend your right leg over your left thigh. Grab your right big toe behind your back with your right hand fingers. Or you can use some belt or some cloth to grab Inhale, lift your left arm up and exhale, bend forward from your left arm. Balance on your left leg and again hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, release your hand, release your leg, and then change your leg. Now bend your left leg over your right thigh. Now grab your left big toe with your left hand fingers behind your back. Inhale, lift your right arm up. And exhale, bend forward with your right palm, right hand. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release your leg, release your hand. Now just bend your legs and sit, lay down from your back on your mat. We have completed these standing postures. On your back, lay down on your back. Relax yourself a few counts. Now bend your both knees for counter pose. Grab your both ankles with your hands. And inhale, lift your hips up for the bridge pose. Take the bridge pose. Exhale down. Exhale, put your hips down. Inhale again, lift your hips up. Exhale again, hips down. Third and last round again, lift your hips up and roll. 1, 2, keep pushing your belly up. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again. Put down, straight your both legs. Shake your both legs. Relax your mind, relax your breath, relax your whole body. Just try to see the practice, whatever we have done today. Today I have tried to give you a different class in which I have added the asanas of Ashtanga into Surya Namaskar of Ashtanga. So today's class a little bit different. It's not Ashtanga properly, nor Vinyasa. I mixed them both a little bit to try something new. Try to see it. Now just turn yourself towards the left side. Your right shoulder will be up, your left shoulder will be down. Make pillow of your hands. Bend your both knees. Turn to the left side. And just relax your body. Take all the focus to your breath. How deep is your breath right now? Try to see your breath is fast or slow. If your breath is too fast, just make it slow by deep inhalation, then deep exhalation. Now slowly touch your palms on the floor and push with your both arms and sit in any comfortable pose you prefer for yourself. Keep your eyes closed. Now we'll chant one time Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now try to just feel the vibration of mantra in your body. Now join your both palms together, rub your both palms. Properly generate energy between your both palms, create warmness. Apply in your eyes, apply in your face. Slowly pick yourself up. Touch your palms in your whole body. And then slowly bow down your head towards God and thank God for giving us strength. Thanks, Mother Nature, for giving us this wonderful environment. And then slowly head up. While blinking, just open your eyes with a smile. Okay, so if you want to ask any question, you can ask.
Hi, I have a question. You know the mantra. What if we know a different, like it's said differently, like the rhythm is different, the opening mantra?
Oh, it's okay. If you said differently, that your rhythm is different, it's okay, you can.
Okay.
But you have to just complete the one sentence in one line. The sentences are very big, like
Yeah.
Vande Guru Nam Charna Ravinde. It's totally like one also. Just it's hard, so you have to just repeat, and then you will get how to speak. But complete the sentence, because it say that we cannot like chant wrong mantras. It's not good.
Okay. And if we do the
Just type.
opening mantra, do we have to do a closing mantra as well?
It's okay if you can remember opening mantra as well, so then it is also fine. At the end, you can also, at last, you can just chant Om with 3 Shanti. It is also good. But if you can just speak about chant the opening mantra, it will be very good.
Thank you. This is a great
अच्छा
class.
सलोनी जी आप कल नहीं थे, आपने मिस कर दी थी क्लास कल, तो कल ये
Yes,
था कि
I
अब
was
हमारी
not
टीचिंग शुरू होने
well.
वाली है. Yeah.
Okay.
So we will start teaching, I think so, from 21st, okay, or 20th.
20th.
From tomorrow. Yeah,
Tomorrow.
from tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. From tomorrow we are starting. So Sunil, you
I
will
will be
have to
there.
give
Yeah.
class whenever. Okay, you will be
Okay.
there. Continue, you will be there.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
For this week, I
Till
will be there.
27.
Yes.
Till 27, our teaching will start now. So you have to also give one class. I will select a day for you to give class. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
G, my
Anything
question.
else? Any question?
Yeah, G, my question.
Yeah. Yes.
So the Ashtanga, what's the difference between Vinyasa? Is it how hard the pose is in Ashtanga?
Okay. Okay. See, in Ashtanga, there is a particular series which we have to stick on it. We cannot change the series. If we have to like first do Padangusthasana, then we have to do Padangusthasana. We cannot do Padasthasana. the series in which I think so you get the manual. In manual you can see the series is like first Padangusthasana, then Padasthasana. So you have to follow the series as it is given. But in Vinyasa, you can make your own flow. You can make changes, but you cannot make changes in Ashtanga. Okay. Now you
Okay,
get it what
got
I'm
it.
saying?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
So that today's class that we did,
Hmm.
hello. So today's
Yes.
class that we did. So in today's class, we did different sets, right? In which I think in third set we did warrior B with triangle pose. Then after that, I think warrior C with three-way downward facing dog. I think we did that, right? So sorry,
So
revolve
I
triangle pose we did.
revolve triangle pose we have done. So
Yeah.
today I have just mixed Ashtanga with some Vinyasa and tried something to do, but it's like I am first trying something new.
Okay, so when we have to conduct the class, so how will we do? Like if we today decide to do a vinyasa class, that means we have to do entire vinyasa class only, or we
Vinyasa.
have
Yeah,
to
you
like
have to give.
we cannot like
No.
we did the vinyasa sun salutation, then we do one sequence of one standing series of Ashtanga. We can't do that. We have to continue entire vinyasa only
But
then.
yes, you have to continue the Vinyasa. If you will start Vinyasa flow, you have to continue the Vinyasa flow. If you start Ashtanga, you have to complete the Ashtanga. Oh,
So
sorry,
entire
Ashtanga.
1 hour class then has
Series.
to be on Ashtanga only. So we
Yeah.
have to do different
Yeah.
like one. Then we can do one standing series. Then we can do two sitting series of Ashtanga, right? So that's how we have
Because
to
in 1
continue.
hour we cannot complete our full series in 1 hour. So you can
Yeah,
just choose 10
with
poses
series.
that I will
Okay.
choose this 10 poses and I will give this 10 poses class today. Because it will make
Okay.
easy, because if everyone starts with like from starting 10, then everybody will give starting 10 only poses. So just try to change the poses, pick
Yeah.
some starting poses, then some sitting poses, then some closing poses, then it will be look good.
Okay. So all the poses that are given in the recorded sessions, those are the specific series. So we have to do all that series in that sequence only.
Yeah.
Like first
That
series has
sequence
2
only.
asanas. That means they have to
Yeah.
go together. Then second series has 3 asanas. So they have
Yeah.
to go together, right? Okay. And then we can pick
See,
any series in our class.
there are 6 series. There are different type of postures: standing posture, sitting posture, and closing postures. So
Yeah.
it's like that. But after primary series, there is secondary series and intermediate. Also, we can call it intermediate or secondary. After that, advanced A, advanced B, advanced C, and advanced D. But basically, in this 200 hours certificate or 300, we just provide
Only the
primary, because
series.
first we see that yeah, this is first series we have done. Primary series we have completed in this month. So you have to choose asanas from only primary series.
Fine. And same in Vinyasa, in the pre-recorded, it's given like Vinyasa flow 1, Vinyasa flow 2. So again, we have to do it in then same series. In that, we can make our own additions.
Important that you see the flow.
Okay. Okay.
You can make your own flow. Vinyasa is like dynamic. In Vinyasa, there is Hatha flow, dynamic flow. So you can just whatever you want, you can make your own flow. But it should be look like flow. It should not
And
break
what
in
about
between.
the counter poses? I'm not sure if that is given in the pre-recorded videos that after.
There is given like when we do forward bend, then we do
Backward bend.
like Chakrasana, backward bend.
Okay.
If we do Chakrasana, then after that we do Paschimottanasana, forward bend. So there is given.
Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
One thing I want to ask, we can start with sun salutations and then like as we did today, sun salutations along with Ashtanga. So we can do separate also, like sun salutation separate and then Ashtanga series separate.
Yes, you have to do separate only. I have just mixed today for some. I was experimenting that how it looks, but you have to give separate. First, you have to do one thing. Do not give five sun salutation. Reduce because time in sun salutation, time will be taken more if you will give five sun salutation. Just 2 or 3 starting sun salutation hai, and 3 sun salutation give. It will be more
Okay.
than enough for a warm up. Okay.
Okay.
That we can decide according to our class time, na, how much we have to give.
Yeah, yeah. We have only 1 hour, so we have to adjust it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
anybody else has any question? Okay, then namaste everyone. See you tomorrow.
Namaste. Thank you.
Go, are you ready for tomorrow?
Thank you. Oh, I think so. I hope so. I will wait for you
Yeah.
to arrive first before I start. Is that
Yeah, I will come. I will definitely come.
okay? Come early.
Okay, I will come 5 minutes early.
Okay.
Okay then.
What
Fingers
do we have tomorrow? I might not be able to attend the class. Actually, I'm traveling to Rishikesh only.
crossed. Don't worry.